Good morning. I hope everybody's having a great start to your day. We're going to start in book 1 on page 94. So if you want to get book number 1 out, the colored book on page 94, at any time that you need to, please pause this video and we're going to get started. So we are going to continue working on solving multi-step problems. We're going to talk about this problem and then talk about different ways to understand it. The important thing and why we talk about different ways to understand it is because everybody learns differently. So here's an example where it's modeling the problem. Here's an example where you're just solving it without the picture. And then back here's all the fancy stuff that talks about it, but I just really want to focus on how does this look if I want to model this, or how does this look if I just use the numbers. So Miss Dennison is packing up the books in her classroom for the summer. Each box holds 9 books, and she has 24 math books and 27 science books to pack. How many boxes will she need? So one way that we could do this is to use a number line to help us better understand this problem to write our equation. So this number line shows us the total number of books. Here's her 24 math books, and here's her 27 science books. Okay, the number line shows jumps of 9 because each box can hold 9 books. So here's box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, and then we would need a 6th box. Okay, we would need a 6th box because it shows us that the books will go exactly to 51, but if we're going to start a box for a book, then we need to include that one. So X is the total number needed. Okay, remember to use parentheses. Everybody think of saying the word parentheses right now. Okay, and then that always tells us what to do first. So here is exactly what we did up in the number line. We took the number 24, added it with the number 27, here it is, okay, 51, and then divided it by 9 because each box 9 books. So that's what this is. Here's box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, and then you would have a couple of boxes in box 6. It wouldn't be full though, and that's okay, but you still need the box to hold the books. Another way to do it is to solve the equation to just represent the problem. So that's what we did up here after we looked at our modeling. Okay, after we looked at the number line, we used the numbers to solve it. That's all they did down here, and that's great if you can do that. If you need a number line, a bar graph, a model, a picture, go for it. Okay, whatever helps you solve your math. Down here it shows us the numbers 24 plus 27 divided by 9. The math books plus the science books with 9 books going in each box. Then it solves the red part because the red part is in the parentheses, and then we're dividing it by 9 because that's the number of books that fit in each box. So when a number doesn't divide evenly, we have some left over. It is called the remainder. So we're going to get into this when we start dividing a little bit more. So this is just saying that the 51 books divided into 9 boxes, there will be 5 full boxes and 1 box of 6. So if I wanted to draw a picture of this, I know that I would have, kind of similar to up here, I'd have 9 books here. I'd have 9 more books here, which would put me at 18. Okay, that's 2 boxes. Another box full of books, go to 27. Another box full of books will bring me to 35. I know my boxes aren't the exact same size, that's okay. And then a 5th box of books is going to bring me to 45 books, and then I'll need a box number 6 that has 6 books. So this is full, 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 this is not because it has the remainder. Okay, the remainder are what are left over without it needing a full box. Okay, so that is called the remainder. That's all for book number 1. You can put book number 1 away, take out book number 2 tear out page 97 and set both books to the side. So right now, all you'll need is book 2, page 97. If you need to pause it to take care of this now, please do so. If you're ready to rock and roll, get your name on your paper and we can get started. So, names on paper, and we are going to start 97 and 98. Here is our example. It's going. Oh, perfect. I'm using a new system, so I didn't know if, I paused it, so I didn't know if it would keep playing. So Grant let me know that it is. I'm putting him and Ellen to work this morning. So, lucky them, they get to listen to this lesson twice. They're going to be so smart. Our example is that Mrs. Murray has 12 students in one science class and 14 students in another. She wants to combine both classes to do group work. Each table in science room can seat 4 students. How many tables does Mrs. Murray need? So think of this like Mr. B. Okay, instead of 12, you guys have 18 and 17 students.